Namaste dear students, how are you? Hope you are healthy and happy at your home and enjoying the videos. So dear students, today we are going to start our block 3, Cultivating Crop, and this is the first video of this block. So let's start. So objective of this video is to make you understand the sequence of various stages in the cultivation of crops. So first of all, we should understand what are crops. So you can see here in the picture that same kind of plant are grown in large scale. When all the plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called as a crop. All the cereals, fruit and vegetables that we use as food are called crops. And farmers grow or cultivate different kinds of crop in large amount to sell to other people like us. So dear students, see what are the various stages used by farmer during the process of cultivation of crops. So let's see one by one. The first stage is plowing or tilling. The second stage is sowing. Then the third stage is manuring. Fourth is irrigation. And fifth is weeding. Then the last one is harvesting. So now we will see these processes one by one. So the first step is plowing. In this, a farmer uses either a plow or any tool or any kind of machine to loosen the soil so that the seed get air and germinate nicely and root can penetrate deep into the soil. So dear students, you can see in this video also that a farmer is using a kind of machine which is actually known as plow, and this loosens the soil. Next process is sowing. In this, person or a farmer used to put seeds into the soil so that it can germinate. Either you can use your hand to sow the seed, or you can do it by some kind of machines also. So the next stage is manuring. In this stage, actually we put the manure, in Hindi we also call it as khad or fertilizers, into the soil. As we grow various kind of crops in the soil, so the nutrients in the soil get depleted and we have to increase the fertility by adding such kind of manure. Then the next process is irrigation, and we all know that a plant or any kind of crop needs water, and to give water into the crop is known as irrigation. And this irrigation depends upon the type of crop, soil or season. So we can do irrigation by various methods like well, tube wells, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams, canals. Then the next process is weeding. Dear students, if you have visited any kind of field, you might have seen there are various kinds of unwanted plants in our field grown with our crops, and that unwanted plants actually compete for water, nutrient, space and light with our crops. So we have to remove those kinds of unwanted plant from our field. And we can do this process manually by using some kind of tool or by spraying some kind of chemicals on those weeds. So dear students, the final step is harvesting. In this step, a farmer cut its mature crop from the field, and this process depends upon the type of crop, as you can see in the different videos also. Either it is done by a farmer manually using certain kind of tool, as you can see in the first video, or by using certain kind of machines that you can see in the second and the third video. So let's have a recap. In this video, we have understood various stages of cultivation of crop. First stage is plowing, then sowing, manuring, irrigation, weeding, and the final is harvesting. So thank you and have a nice day.